Hello guys, welcome back to Lantu Ebike channel. Today we are going to introduce a full suspension fat tire bike with folding frame. Engineered for versatility and power, this compact beast features a robust 250-watt Bafeng rear hub motor and 48-volt 15-ampere-hour battery with Samsung cells, delivering smooth rides for up to 50 miles on a single charge. Conquer any terrain with confidence thanks to its rugged 20 by 4.0-inch fat tires and responsive hydraulic disc brakes. Stay in control with the colorful LCD display, while the Shimano 7-speed gear system ensures effortless climbing. Its space-saving foldable design, perfect for apartments, RVs, or trunk storage. As an OEM factory, we offer no MOQ and full customization. Choose your favorite color combo to match your style. Ready to redefine your commute? Leave your comments below and ride the future today.